Hello photography fans and welcome back to another LensVid review. Today we're taking a look at these new compact tube lights by Godox. Let's see what they can do. Today we're taking a look at the new Godox TL30 tube lights. This is a new, smaller, lighter version that comes with a few interesting accessories. The TL30 is a 30cm long tube light weighing just under 300 grams. It comes in a lightweight plastic enclosure with hard plastic bumpers on the ends. Both of the ends come equipped with 1/4" 20 mounts. There are no mounts on the back, but the unit ships in a kit with a special clamp that allows to support the light from the back. This tube light features an internal 2900 mAh battery. While Godox promises only about an hour of runtime before the battery discharges, the TL30's USB-C port allows you to charge the light while in use. In the box, we received a semi-hard carrying case that encloses 2 tube lights and accessories for each. The lights come with metal plates for magnetic mounting, a wrist strap, a support clamp, a 2-light coupler, a grid, a waterproof bag, and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. For operating the TL30, the unit features 3 buttons and a clickable jog wheel, together with a small screen. The screen is pretty easy to read and it is very bright compared to other tube lights that we work with. The first button on the left turns the unit on and off when long pressed. There is no sleep function as on some of the other tube lights that we have in the studio. The middle button changes through the modes, CCT, HSI, and effects mode. When long pressed, the mode button opens the Bluetooth controls. In CCT mode, the light has a range of 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. The RGB color gamut in HSI mode goes from 0 to 360 degrees. The dim button next to the jog wheel is for controlling the intensity of the light. When the dim button is pressed, the intensity setting starts flashing and you change it using the jog wheel. Clicking the jog wheel sets the intensity and reverts to color temperature control. A second click changes to tint control. Godox has been adding the green magenta tint control feature to all of their new lights, and we're happy to see this feature even on this small tube light, since it allows to calibrate the units when used together with other types of fixtures. You want to know what's always calibrated and always the right tint? This red subscribe button right next to the bell notification. The TL30 comes pre-programmed with 13 effects. To access the effects menu, click the mode button. Scroll through the effects using the jog wheel. Click the jog wheel to pick from one of the 3 settings for the effect. You can also control the intensity of each effect in this menu. In working with this tube light, we noticed that the battery runs out pretty fast compared to this Iwata tube light that we reviewed not too long ago. The Iwata battery is listed as 2200 mAh, but it lasts a while longer. Of course, the TL30 has a larger output of 8 watts compared to the 6 watts of the Iwata. Charging while in use solves this problem, of course, but it would be nice to have a more powerful battery. One of the complaints that we had for the Iwata tube lights is that they get pretty hot after prolonged use. The TL30, on the other hand, is a lot better at heat dissipation. Because of the transparent plastic enclosure that covers the fixture on all sides, you can barely feel the heat. It's a pretty interesting solution because it also serves to protect the screen on the back of the unit. Godox added app control to these lights, which makes them even more useful. You can control each unit individually or assign different tube lights to a group. This is all done in the same Godox Lights app that you can use for their other bigger and smaller lights. In the app, you can control all the color and intensity settings, as well as put the unit to sleep, something that the unit itself does not give you the option to do. We tested the output of the TL30 at 30 centimeters away, and these are the results that we got. Our color accuracy test at 3200 Kelvin and 5600 Kelvin gave us the following results. In conclusion, Godox has done a pretty good job with this light. It's compact, has good output for its size, and pretty accurate colors. The app control and accessories make it even more interesting. The battery is a bit of a hassle, but you can always run the light off a power bank. Also, we're not sure about how durable the clear plastic enclosure will prove to be over time. It's a pretty good idea though, since it helps with keeping the unit cooler to the touch. As for pricing, the TL30 by itself costs $90, and the 2-light kit with accessories sells for $210. And that is it for our look at the Godox TL32 lights. Go check out the full review on our website at lensvid.com. Subscribe to this channel and come back for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.